Your older brother was probably the first person who ever hurt you, and the first person who'd hurt anyone who tried to hurt you. They'll tease you endlessly, but the moment someone else tries, they're the first to stand up for you. Sometimes they're too rough, sometimes too distant, but they're always watching, ready to step in when the world gets too heavy, even when they pretend they don't care. They don't always say, "I love you," but you can feel it in the way they send you a dumb post when they know you are feeling down. They'll never admit it, but they're proud of who you've become. That's the complicated thing about older brothers.